later. Time goes by fast. Got my memories, and they will last. I try to keep it simple, cause I hate goodbyes. I try to keep it simple by telling myself that I will remember you and all of the things that we've gone through. There is so much I can say, but words get in the way. So when we're not together, I will remember you. I will remember you. We're a picture in my mind. When I wanna find you, I just close my eyes. You'll never be that far from me, so don't say goodbye, cause you'll never be that far from me. I'm telling myself that I will remember you and all of the things that we've gone through. There is so much I could say, but words get in the way. So when we're not together, I will remember you. You were there when I needed a friend. Thank you, thank you. I never told you how much I meant. God, thank you, thank you. I will remember you and all of the things that we